Hello Hans, how you doing? Thank you very much for clicking this video. My name is Lucas and I figure I should you this short video on three things that you can do to start beating your competition online. In this case, Masters Electric, which are the guys that show on the first result on Google when you look for an electrician in Miami. And you may wonder why I decided to shoot this video to you, but it's basically because I know a lot of business owners are very busy helping their clients or taking care of their business, and they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. Or when they comes to hire somebody for doing that for them, they don't know who's really an expert and who's not. So I shoot these educational videos and send them for free, so you can get this information and implement it yourself, or you can always contact me back and have me help you do it. So that said, I want to keep it nice and short, and the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. All right? I see that you don't have a website, so the first thing for you would be to create a little website and fill it with content. Content is basically all the text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and also how what is behind those pictures. So as you see, your main competitor here online, if you take their website, all their content here and use paste it in a word counter, you see that they have 1300 words. Google usually likes to see about 2000 words of keyword rich oriented content. Keywords are basically the terms that people are searching for in Google the most regarding your services. Like, for example, in this case, electrician Miami. Okay, so you want to mention that several times throughout your website, as well with other keywords that we will find that are relevant. All right. Second thing is backlinks. Once you have the website with your content, you want to build a good backlink profile. A backlink is basically another website mentioning your website, and when somebody clicks on it, it drives the traffic back to your site. All right. But as you can imagine, not all backlinks are created equal. Some backlinks, for example, if a Pizza Hut mentions you in their website and you click on it and drives back to your website on the eyes of Google, it's not as important as if another electrician is mentioning you in their website. Okay, this is for Google is kind of like a popularity contest inside of the same niche. So the more other websites that talk about the same niche are mentioning you and vouching for you on their website, the more popular, the more power and strength and trust you get in Google. So as you see these guys, Masters Electric, if you put their name here in Ahrefs, which is a tool that we use to check referring domains and keywords and stuff like that, you can see that these guys have 76 referring domains. So what would you do? Once you have the website on, you just go here and go through every single one of these pages, making a profile and putting a link to your profile to your website on that profile. That way, you would have exactly the same as these guys, and if they're good to rank them, they're good to rank you. Okay. Also, you would add some extra ones in order to beat them with no problem. That and the content, you would easily be ranking right over here on the first result. Then last thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations is something that is going to get you here, and this is free, okay? You don't have to pay anything for this, and the only thing you need to do is listing your business information in different directories. Sorry, listing your business information in several directories all throughout the web. And by that I mean yellow pages, white pages, Yelp, Facebook, NG, all those kind of directories. Okay, it's thousands of them out there. So you just check how many citations your competition has, and then you copy them and put at least 100 more. That way you make super hard for them to ever catch up to you. Okay, and that way, if you do the website with around 2,000 words of content, keyword rich and oriented, sorry, and then build a healthy, strong backlink profile, you'll be ranking over here with no problem. And then building enough number of citations would get you ranking here. And once you are on the top on the MacPack and on the organic results, you will be getting the lion's share of the business. You would getting so many new calls every single day. All right. So that said, if you like what you hear, a little recap, the 2000 words of content, backlinks, and building enough citations, and you want me to help you get there, please contact me. Or if not, just take all this information and implement it yourself. But if you have any questions throughout the process, again, please feel free to contact me and I'll gladly help you. That said, my recommendation is that if you're interested in doing this, you start as soon as possible, since implementing all this takes some time, and the sooner you start, the sooner you'll finish, and that way, the faster you will start to get all that business. Okay. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and if you can leave me a little review, a little feedback on the video, that would be amazing. Thank you.